everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my latest Stitch Fix box to share with you, and I've already dug in and I've already worn one of the pieces out. So I do have a keeper in this box. I haven't tried anything else in this box yet, but as you know, I have been looking for something to wear to a wedding. And so when my box shipped, I saw there was a jumpsuit and I thought maybe I can wear the jumpsuit to the wedding. So that's what I ended up doing. So I will show you the jumpsuit and the rest of the items. Let's dig in. I'm gonna try the rest of the items on first and then I'll try the jumpsuit on last because I already know I'm keeping that. All right, I'll be right back and we will go through each of the pieces. Okay, so I'm back with the first two pieces. So the first thing we'll talk about is this necklace. It's by Bancroft and it's the Jefferson metal cord necklace. It's $34. So I do like that, look, it's gold and silver. So it's kind of a combo, which gives it a little bit more versatility because you could wear it with, you know, you can wear it with gold, other accessories, you could wear it with silver. You can really wear it with a lot. The only thing I don't really care for with this necklace is that it's on the black cord. I don't know, for some reason it's kind of throwing me off and I think it would limit what you could wear it with. I could be wrong, but I just don't know. I like that it is a longer statement necklace because I have a lot of the shorter statement necklaces and I do love those and I pull for those a lot, but these are good for open cardigans and blazers and things like that. So I do really like it. I think it's fun, I think it's unique, and the metal kind of almost has a little bit of a brushed metal look to it. And I like that it has different styled beads too. So some are like more of the open type and some are just like the solid. So it's cute, it's fun. It's just this black cord that I don't think I would pull for it because of this black cord. I wish it was like gold or silver. But anyway, let's talk about the cardigan. So the cardigan is by Ellie. And this is the Anastasia Braid Detail Pointelle and it cuts off, I'll put it across the screen, $48 and it's 100% acrylic. So the price isn't really bad, but my friend Linda, I was watching her this morning and she got a cardigan. It was like a cognac color that she found on her own, of course. She's such a great shopper. And I knew she would come through and she wouldn't disappoint, and she totally didn't. And she found a cardigan, I think it was like 23 bucks, and it's perfect. So anyway, I do like this cardigan. I think it's really pretty. The color is nice. It's a duster cardigan, so it's a little bit longer, and I don't know if it overwhelms me. I don't know if it's too long for me. You're gonna have to help me out with this one. I'll watch back too to see what I think about it. I do love the detail. Look at the pretty detail. It's almost like that crochet detail too. I like it. I don't know. It would be good for layering and things like that, and it's a good weight too. It's not too heavy. I'll show you the back of it. All right, it's cute, I like it, but I don't know if I love it. What do you think? All right, I'm gonna watch back and see what I think, and I'm gonna try on the other two tops, and then we'll go to the jumpsuit. I'll be right back. Okay, next top. This is by the brand West Key. This is the Daden Flutter Sleeve Blouse. It's $42, and it's 100% polyester. This is more of kind of like a thicker polyester, I'd say. I do like the neckline. The V neckline is very pretty and it's a very flattering neckline for me. And I love, look at the sleeves. I love the sleeves. I think they're adorable. I also love the colors of this top, and I love how it has more of like, it's almost like a teal or like hunter green, maybe an emerald green, I should say. And then some lilac, some other purples in it. So it's very pretty. I just don't think, see what I mean when I back up? I just don't think that the cut is flattering. I don't know if it's just too boxy and doesn't give me any shape, or maybe it's the sleeves because I'm a little bit shorter, don't look as proportionate. So maybe they should be like a 3/4 length sleeve for me or a little bit shorter. I don't know. There's something about it that it's just, I'm just not sure about. So for that reason, I'm not gonna pick or get this top. I just love the background color of it though. See how pretty that is? I think the color combo is just gorgeous. It is a little snug here in the chest area. I always have a problem in that area, but can't really help that right now. What do you think? Yeah, I just think that it's like a little bit, the body almost looks a little bit boxy for some reason. Don't you think? Maybe it's just me. I'm gonna watch back and see what I think. I'll show you the back still. But yeah. This one's gonna go back, but it is really pretty. I like the concept of it too. All right, let me try on the next top and I'll be right back. Okay, so this next top is by Market and Spruce. This is the Sormosa print back knit top in olive. It's $48, 95% rayon and 5% spandex. So I think that the olive color is very pretty and I do like olive. The neckline is more of a rounded neckline. It is 3/4 length sleeves, which I do like 3/4 length sleeves, especially as we're getting into the warmer weather. Like this weekend, it's been beautiful. So I'm hoping that this sticks around and we have an early spring because I can handle this until like the summertime. But anyway, I do like the color of it. I just don't know if I like kind of, it's a little bit flowy, which is okay. It has the slits on each side. Yeah, you can see the back detail. I almost wish when you see the back of this top, I wish that the floral pattern of this top, of the back of the top, was the whole shirt because I really like the floral pattern. So let me show you the back of this top. So isn't the floral print so pretty? I do like that a lot, but I just don't know that I'd pull for this a lot. I like it, I just don't love it. You know, there's nothing really wrong with it. I just don't think I'd pull for it. And it's a little bit more casual, so maybe wear it to work on like casual Friday and on the weekends, but yeah, I don't know, just not crazy about it. So I'm gonna send it back too. All right, I'm gonna change. Are you ready to see the jumpsuit? You know I'm keeping it because I already wore it yesterday. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the jumpsuit. I'll back up so you can see it in a second. This is by Kaileigh. It's the Rica knit craft jumpsuit in black, $58, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. This is what I wore. You're gonna have to check out my outfit of the day videos. It's not coming out on Sunday this week. It'll be out on Tuesday because I'm collabing with my friend Miranda and that's when we decided to post. So make sure you tune in to see how I styled it. But hint, what's my favorite pattern? That's what I wore for shoes. And I got a shrug with some faux fur. And of course, a little bit of statement jewelry. So make sure you tune in to see how that looked. But anyway, here's the jumpsuit. So it's kind of got that wrap style on the top, and then it has the tie here. It's not like a functional tie where it kind of pulls it together. It's just here for design. And yeah, it's so cute, isn't it? I love this jumpsuit. And it's so comfortable. So I'm so happy I got this because yesterday it was probably in the 50s, low 50s, but still, that's warm for us. And so I had originally bought a dress that was like velvet material and it was really pretty, but I would have been so warm in that. I mean, I was fine in this with my shrug over it and I didn't even need my shrug at some point. So yeah, isn't this so fun? I love this jumpsuit. Let me show you the back. And one of the things that I love about this jumpsuit is that I wore my regular bra yesterday. I didn't have to wear a strapless bra, so I was so happy about that. So yep, this is mine, I'm keeping it. So I can use this for events and things like that. I wouldn't wear it to work because it's a little bit low cut and then it's a little bit strappy in the back, but for other events that I have, I'm gonna totally wear this and I can dress it up. In the summertime, I'm thinking like some bright accessories, some bright jewelry, give it a good look. All right, I'll be right back and we'll do a recap, but I think you probably already know what's staying with me and what's going back. Hang on one second. Okay, what do we think? This was a pretty good box, right? I thought it was a great one just for the fact that I got the jumpsuit to wear right before the wedding and I was thrilled. Now I have to confess with that jumpsuit. So I got the box on Thursday, didn't open it, and I started to panic because as the wedding was getting closer, the weather was getting warmer. And I checked the weather and it was supposed to be, like I said, in the low 50s, and it definitely was. Beautiful day, absolutely gorgeous day for a wedding. Now my options, I had like a velvet dress, like a couple of you recommended Amazon. So I did go on Amazon and ordered a few dresses, but I had one that was velvet, really, really pretty. But I'm like, oh gosh, these are gonna be too warm for me to wear for dancing and moving around and things like that. I didn't know how the church was going to be in the beginning, so I thought it could be warm, it could be cold. So I started to panic and I'm like, oh, I've gotta find something that I can layer. So I go out, I'm shopping Thursday, I'm shopping Friday after work, and I just couldn't find anything, and I went all over. Should have opened my box Thursday night, come home after shopping on Friday night, try on my jumpsuit. Didn't try anything else, just tried it on the jumpsuit. And I fell in love with it, and I thought, this is it. This is what I'm gonna wear. I made up my mind right then and there. I went online to Macy's, ordered a wrap, which you'll see, so check out, not a wrap, a shrug. Check out the outfit of the day because you're gonna wanna see this. If you don't normally watch my outfit of the days, go check it out on Tuesday. But anyway, I found the wrap, I picked it up as soon as Macy's opened that morning. I know, I was pushing it. Found some shoes, and that's what I wore. So anyway, you know, I don't have to tell you, I'm keeping the jumpsuit. It's mine, I already wore it, so, and I can't wait to have it and add it to my wardrobe. This top, although it was pretty, this is the West Key blouse. I wouldn't pull for it. It just was a little bit boxy on me. I do love the pattern. So the pattern's very pretty. Just want to make sure you could see that. Look at the pretty colors. I love that. It's a lot of jewel tones with a like splash of lilac and white, which is not white, but like an off-white. Very pretty, but it just wasn't for me. So I'm going to send that back. I think I'm going to end up sending back the cardigan too. While I really liked it, I don't know, maybe if I sized down, it kind of felt a little bit big, and I don't know if I'd pull for it, so I think I'm gonna send this one back too. I have a duster cardigan from Walmart that I purchased when I did my first Walmart haul, and I haven't really worn it yet. I wore the black one, but not like the cognac color one, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna send that one back. And then while I did like this, I just don't think I'd pull for it, so I'm gonna send this one back. This is the Market and Spruce top, but I did want to show you because I didn't catch this when I first tried it on. It does have a button detail on the back too. It's got 3 buttons. They're not functional. They're just there for kind of like the design. I'm just gonna send this back. I'm just not crazy about it, but it's the right top for somebody. And then the necklace, I just wish that it was more, I wish that the cord was a chain, like a gold or silver chain instead. It is very cute. It's very unique and fun, but I don't think I'd pull for it. So I am gonna send this back too. So the jumpsuit is the only thing I'm keeping. And actually I have to confess something else too. When I saw the preview, that was what I didn't think I'd wanna keep. See, that always happens. I always look and I kind of form these kind of opinions about the items, and then I'm always blown away when I try them on. So the jumpsuit is mine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your advice and your suggestions when I was hunting for the perfect outfit to wear. It didn't end up being a dress, so it was still fun. It still worked. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.